Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. We've got another guide for some of the Adobe software. This one's for Adobe Audition and it's going to be about the missing DLL errors. So there's three of them. The main one's MSVCP110 dll and there's two others with very similar codes. I'll just list them here on the screen so you can see the exact ones. So this guide will show you how to fix them quick and easy. There's two options. The first one's the preferred option. The second one's a bit of a last resort, but we'll go through it anyway. So first thing you need to do, I'll have the link in the description for this, is head on over to the Microsoft website and download the Visual C++ redistributable for Visual Studio 2012 Update 4. Now, don't try to get anything newer. 2012 is the one it requires. So once you're on the website, pick your language, click download, then grab the one that matches your system architecture. I'd say most people are using 64-bit. But if this doesn't work for you, I have heard from comments on another video, the Premiere Pro one I've done, that installing all three of these and then doing a restart will work. But just to begin, grab the 64-bit if you've got 64-bit, and that should do the problem. But as I said, if that doesn't work, try and install all of them. So once you've done that, system restart and you'll be good to go. Now, if this doesn't work for you, the next option is to grab the DLL files from this website. Now, this isn't the preferred option because getting DLL files from a place like this can leave you with sort of issues if the file's malicious. But if you do need to use this option, just search for the missing DLL files and copy them into, I think it is the System32 folder on Windows. I'll leave an actual address for that in the comments as well. Sorry, a description link. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you can, use the Microsoft option. If that doesn't work, on the odd chance, you can use this one. Anyway, if you found this guide useful, swing us a like and a subscribe. Really appreciate it. And thanks for watching. See you next time.